This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Lisa Jones. Immaculate one-level ranch-style home. Better than new with beautiful updates built in 2019. 3 bedrooms/2 full baths with an open and spacious floor plan. Kitchen is an entertainer's dream, loaded west/cabinetry and beautiful quartz countertops, a breakfast bar including stainless steel appliances, and yes, the refrigerator is included. The washer and dryer and pit bull smoker are included too. Not only do you have a covered front porch but a beautiful screened-in porch in the back for a more private setting. The master bedroom is oversized with a walk-in closet and a nice size master bath. This home has it all. More detail to come. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Jones at 865-966-1111.